forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Yes, people, we got some news this morning.
I wish some manners and prayers, me peeps. Yeah, watch the news. These are the news.
Okay. What can you see? You zoom in. Look at that, the little pig. The piglets.
9 little one.
9. Is it 9?
Yeah, that's progress.
And this is the. Oh look at Mummy's drinking. Let me zoom up. Mum's drinking water.
Yeah.
Need to fill it up. We got the call this morning that. But the wickedest thing, the thing is, people that never knew it was this one because she didn't even look big. We thought it was going to be this one here. Let me show you. The bigger one.
How much is the one I will drop now? Bigger?
Look how big this one is, guys. This is the one we thought. Hear me. She's really big. That's the one we thought. Didn't expect it to be the other one over there. Yeah. Come back over. This pig, this one here, she wasn't big at all, but look.
What do you look, mama?
Look at them. Oh my gosh. 9 of them. Look how sweet. That one there scratching on the wall. Look. And if you said the pig, she wasn't even that big. She didn't even look that heavy. But look how sweet. Oh, so cute. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, you know. 9 of them. Yes, guys. 9 new piglets. Wow. Cleaning up the pen. Yes, guys. Oh, that's good news in the morning. We're going to have to build on the next piece now, eventually. Yeah. Can you hear them? Noisy pigs. Watch them. Watch them. Yeah. Look. Whenever they hear like humans, people come over. That's them. Those are the 2. Those are the 3 in there. 3 females, and then there's 2 males over there. Yeah. So people, we're just at the water pipe getting some water. So we're gonna have to make maybe about 5 or 6 trips. I'll show you that in a short while. But guys, we just stopped to get some breakfast. My gosh, let me show you this breakfast first of all. I've eaten about half of it already. When I tell you, people, the food tastes so good. Yam, banana, one dumpling around there, one boiled dumpling. I'm not really a dumpling person. Saltfish and baked bean, which I love. Fried dumpling, I'm not a fried dumpling person either. But you see this? Oh my gosh, these are like the best dumplings. They're like the sweet ones. They're so nice. Oh, they are so good, honestly. Food, I've got to leave some of this for Outlaw, but the food tastes so good, people. The food tastes so good. That's why, you know, since I've been here, I've put on 20 pounds. Since I've been living in Jamaica, I have put on 20 pounds, people. Like when I came here, I was like this. Ask Outlaw, I was like this when I came. Not anymore. If you see me, you see I've full out a little bit more, but I've put on 20 pounds in the last few years since being here. All because of the food. It's the food. It's the food. But it just tastes so good. When I say I'm going to cut down, the food just tastes so good. Anyway, let me go back to enjoy my breakfast, yeah? This is it. This is it. Water. What are you doing, Outlaw?
Yeah, that's something there. This car for more maintenance right now.
Extra pigs.
Extra thing
Extra
going on.
maintenance.
Yeah.
So you can fill up the water too. Fill up the drums, fill up these containers.
See one brown there. I left some for you, man. Ross. Yeah, but my 4 back there.
So there's a pipe here, which is free for the community to use. Yeah. So oftentimes you can see people pulling up water. And right now, people in Jamaica, there's a drought. We haven't got no rain and it's hot. So yeah.
Not an easy road.
Yeah, we're in drought right now. So people come and can pull up. It's a nice idea that there's a community pump pipe there everybody can use. So we come and get the water for the pigs here. And it's like 5-minute drive back up to the pig pen. And just put them in the back of the car. We've got like 12 of these, he just fills up. Yes guys, so can you see all of that growing? I wonder if anybody knows what that is. All that growing over there. What is that? Let me zoom in. What is that growing, people? If you know, what do you think that is? Take a guess. Alright, so the other day Outlaw asked me, what is that growing? I said, I don't know. He said it's tobacco. He said grabber. Yes, that's tobacco. Yeah, you see guys, all that's tobacco. Right next to where we get the water. Yeah, all of that growing is tobacco. Yeah, so I was telling
That one leaf in there, we can show them say that come from it.
I was telling the guys that this. I was telling the people on the vlog that this is tobacco, babes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so guys, remember I was showing you the tobacco? What you say? Ah, come out of it so we can see it good. Yeah, that's it.
Like
so that's that
come from over there, so.
comes from over here.
Yeah, man.
And you guys call it rubber.
Yeah, man, like this.
Where did you get that from? I didn't
Natural.
get that.
Nothing, no additive, no preservative. Natural. Like that over there, so.
So that's over there. That's how it grows, and that's how it ends up. Yes, sir. It just come from the where the pipe is, so you get free water. Community pipe, innit? Like, yeah, provided by like the local, maybe government or something. So we just come and fill up the water.
Do what you have to do.
Yeah, and then we can just fill up the drum them over there.
Yeah. So
Water's low, so.
Move from 7 to 16.
Huh?
Move from 7 to 16.
Yes, yes. So overnight, people, we had 7 pigs. Obviously, 2 were pregnant. So overnight, we've gone from 7 pigs to 16.
Yeah.
And the other one, when it drops, yeah. Yeah, so you can see Outlaw's brother looks after the pigs for us. Takes good care of them. He's cleaning them up now. Putting water in the trough.
Yeah, man.
For them to drink.
Right, no.
Yeah. So that's what we do. A few times a week we come up and Outlaw fills up these.
Pull up them drum there.
These drums.
Yeah, man. Pull them up.
And then, yeah, puts them in there.
Hurry up, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, we need water to feed them.
Yeah.
We need water to wash up the thing. So we have to have water. Yeah. Keep with the smell and keep everything down. Just keep everything clean.
Yeah.
So I don't man clean the thing, you know.
Yeah.
And put the thing them together.
Yeah. So we make a few trips.
Yeah.
This is the first trip, so we're gonna make a few trips.
Okay, one trip for mommy too, you know. Okay, one trip for mommy too.
One trip for mommy.
Yeah. Yeah. So 5 trips that is on one, make 6. You need to can't work now, so man. Boy, I see, man.
So there's no water up here right now, right? So we're gonna fill up some.
Let's do that.
Yeah, bring some water for his mum.
Yeah, not me find out that to do.
See, they're putting water in the pig pens for them to can drink. Yeah, it's a good look, people. It's a good look.
Very good one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
good surprise this morning. Nice surprise.
Yeah, you must always give thanks to life, you know. I mean, if I drop manners and prayers. Yes. To God be the glory. I want to tell you the story. That one, tell me.
Guys, look at Outlaw. He's like a concerned parent because the mother just stepped on one of the pigs. It's like his own babies, honestly. Look at him, watching them with concerned expressions. He just doesn't want the pigs to get hurt.
Take them so you can walk around there.
Oh, they're suckling. Oh, look. Which one was it? Okay, I got stepped on.
You want to take them out? I'm done,
Yeah. Look at them, guys. Oh, how sweet is that? It's just the cutest. Oh. Oh, it's just so sweet. Gosh, it's a shame they have to be slaughtered, isn't it? For human consumption. Oh boy. Like, I would just like to have the pigs here. Just, I know it's business, and I know, you know, it's a life cycle, but I would just like to have them here, just to have them here, and nothing happens to them, and they don't get slaughtered. Like, especially when you see them like this. How cute is that? Oh look. And you know what it is? Me coming from London, being a city girl, you don't usually see these things unless you go to like a zoo. So just to have this, you know, it's just, yeah. It's just so different, changing lifestyle, but I just love it, honestly. Country life, yeah, totally for me. Done with the city, love this. Look at them, guys. Cute. Yeah, so we just got some Neesbury. Like I was saying, Brownstown, I think you find the most Neesbury trees. So Outlaw's uncle just gave us some Neesbury. I'm going to enjoy these because I like these. They kind of remind me of pears, like, not avocado pear, but pear that I can't remember what they're called. Like in England, you know the green pears that we get? They kind of have a texture of that. They're soft and they kind of have that kind of texture inside. Yeah, I can only eat one or two though, but yeah. Neesbury, people. Guys, like I was saying, boy, the place is hot. I had to come out my sweater and put on this. There's a drought in Jamaica right now. There's no rain, so water is hard to come by. So the government are imploring us to use less water and all of those kind of things. But the place is hot. So Jamaica is hot right now. The other day we were crying that it was cold because you know, temperature to drop and everything. But right now the place is hot, people, and there's no rain.
Fully hot.
Fully hot. Fully hot. Plenty of Neesbury about the place though, isn't it? One thing I find in Brownstown, there's so much Neesbury. So many Neesbury trees.
True, huh?
Neesbury trees. So here's a Neesbury tree. See, I'm zooming in. See, some on there. Yeah.
Boy.
Some there as well.
Alright,
See? Some there. Another tree here. Bearing. You see? More Neesbury there.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Anyway, I think so we're going to end out the vlog.
Yeah.
Come and say bye to the people.
I don't know where things go. Round the way I swing go. So where's the manners and prayers?
Manners and prayers.
We are keeping up to date with everything going on. And also everything set up transparent like that. So we're keeping up to date with what's going on. And we get a small up to date not too long ago.
Yeah, and the pigs.
With the pigs.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like maybe another week or two, we give another update and the next one will soon drop. So, you already know, no? Give thanks to life. Right, so everything there.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, let me say.
Watch a small bit of the ads.